National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for central Frederick County in north central Maryland until 1:15 a.m. At 10:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. Radar estimates that up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen across portions of the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 2 inches can be expected. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Ballinger Creek, Braddock Heights, Frederick, Newmarket, Walkersville, Wolfsville, and Harry Grove Stadium. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Act quickly if flash flooding is observed. Move to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.